Brain. Forebrain. Forebrain consists of cerebrum, thalamus, and hypothalamus. Cerebrum. This forms the major part of the human brain. Nearly 2/3 of the brain is cerebrum. A deep cleft called median cleft divides the cerebrum longitudinally into two halves as right and left cerebral hemispheres, which are united at the base by a sheet of nervous tissue called corpus callosum. The outer region of the cerebrum is distinguished as the grey matter or cerebral cortex, and the inner region is called white matter. Cerebral cortex. It consists of the nerve cell bodies of several layers of greyish nerve cells giving grey color, so called as grey matter. The increased surface area of the cerebral cortex in man is folded and thrown into a pattern of convolutions consisting of ridges and furrows. Cerebral cortex contains A. Motor areas, B. Sensory areas, and C. Association areas, a region that is neither sensory nor motor. A. Motor areas. Motor areas are the sites of order or command of the cerebrum, from where the order arises to control the activities of the different organs of our body. Initiation of voluntary activities takes place here. B. Sensory areas. These are the sites where the sensory functions of the various sense organs are received through the sensory nerves. E. Association areas. These are responsible for complex functions like intersensory associations, memory, and communication. White matter of cerebrum. The inner part of the cerebrum lying below the cerebral cortex is called white matter, and it consists of bundles of nerve fibers with myelin sheath giving the white color. Some of these bundles of nerve fibers connect the different parts of the cerebrum, while others connect the cerebrum with the rest of the brain and spinal cord. Within the cerebral hemispheres are present cavities called ventricles, filled with a nutritive fluid called cerebrospinal fluid. Functions of cerebrum. Cerebrum is the seat of consciousness, intelligence, memory, imagination, and reasoning. It receives impulses from different parts of the body and initiates voluntary activities. Specific areas of cerebrum are associated with specific functions. Thus, there is a center for hearing, another for seeing, and another for tasting, another for smelling, and another for speaking, and so on. Damage in a specific center of cerebrum will deprive the particular faculty from doing its functions. Thalamus. Cerebrum wraps around a structure called thalamus, a major conducting center for sensory and motor signaling. Hypothalamus. It lies at the base of the thalamus. It controls body temperature, urge to eat and drink, regulation of sexual behavior, express emotional reactions like excitement, anger, fear, pleasure, and motivation.